In this tutorial, we're going to try and create this effect in Photoshop, and this is going to take a very simple steps. So before you start, you have to go to File, create new document, then custom document with 934 by 128 pixels, and just create a document and go. Now we can use paint bucket to fill this document with a sky blue color, or you can go to edit and go to fill, then you select color, you go to color here, and then we are going to use this color as our background color for this particular effect. I have already worked on this before, so I'm going to let the color remain. So these are the color coding that you can use to get the exact color that I used. You click OK, then OK here. So you have our sky background as simple as that. The next thing, create a new layer here. Go to create new layer, and let's save it as cloud, or let's say soft lighting, any name that you want. You can just name it anything that you want. Then you go to brushes, as I've done before, mix brushes, then you change the color to what? Black, and then you come and the blending mode to soft light, okay, that you can paint this area, making it a bit darker like this. It's okay. Then now the next thing you do is to go to brushes again with the same brush with the same settings, but then you change the color to white. Okay, change it to white, and then click OK. Then we come and brush or paint these areas. Okay, paint these areas, the bottom edges to here, then to the middle like this. Okay, now that you have this, we are almost there. But the next thing you do is I have to go and download the cloud brushes from deviant.com, and then you come and use them to draw or get our clouds. So you go to deviantart.com, and you can search for cloud brushes, okay, by Javier ZHS. And then once you have that, you download it here. Okay, you download it. But you have to create a free account on deviant.com before you can get or before you can use this. So you create your free account, then you download this cloud brushes, and then so you click on download. And once I've already downloaded it, I'm not going to download it again. Then you browse your download folder, and then you just click on it to open it. And then once you open it, you click on it to load the brushes into what into the Adobe Photoshop. And then once you have your brushes, you can access them by going to brushes, and then you go to this end. Okay, then you can go for the crowd. Now that you have our brush loaded, we have to create a new layer, and then just name that layer as what? As crowd, and then that normal thing will be there. Then you go to the brush layout, then you select the number 10. You can start creating clouds. Okay, as simple as that. Okay, all right. Creating a cloud as simple as that. Really can bring it a bit down. Okay, now we have our clouds in place. Then you can go to blending option and go to drop shadow. Then we can add some shadow blending to our crowd. Okay. All right. Now that we have our simple cloud over there, what you have to do is what? Bring in a lightning effect. To do that, you can also go back to deviant art, and then download what the lightning brushes over here. Like I said, we create a free account, and then you look for a day stock to get your lightning brushes. And once you have that, we download it, then you load it into Photoshop by double click on it. I've already done that, so I'm not going to do it again. Double click on it, then you have your Adobe stock brushes or brightening brushes stock sent into Photoshop, and then we can use them to create the effect. Once we still brushes selected, and look for your lightning brushes. Okay, they are down here. Then you select any of them that you think will suit you. And before you do that, let's also create a new layer for the lightning. And then you can go on and create the truth problem. So you click, then you have the first lightning effect. You can add more, then you can add another one. As simple as that. Then we can also deal with the blending option. You can add shadowing to it. Then you can also add outer glow to it, and this is too much. Let's reduce the opacity. Then a blend mode, let's say multiply. Then we can have that. Okay, then we click OK and play.